3.4. 3.4 here says that we are going to multiply and divide rational numbers. So first of all, I already talked about dividing and multiplication. They're the same thing. Multiplying, dividing is the same thing because A divided by B. That is just means A multiplied by 1 over B. And that's it. Okay. Now, rational numbers. Now, we already talked about rational numbers. Either that is just a decimal in the decimal notation, or it is a fraction, right? Decimal, sure, use your calculator, get it. Now, fraction is, of course, much, much more interesting. And the matter of fact, for grade 9, this is basically the last year you would be bothered with numbers. After that, you don't. But seriously, everyone, numbers is very interesting. There is a pure mathematics that is just about dealing with numbers. It's all number theory. That's a pure mathematics, has no application whatsoever. But there's a lot of applications were developed through the research and the study and the fascination with the numbers, and that's called number theory. All right, so this is only this one, not even a sentence. This is the only thing that we're talking about in this section. Okay? And it's called reduce, reduce, reduce. I don't even know how many times I want to emphasize on this. Reduce. Before, take a look at this, before multiplying or dividing. Reduce the fractions. Okay? Well, so here we go. So I'm just going to use the textbook or just questions in the exercise set to demonstrate a couple, and you should be all good. Now also mixed fractions. So mixed fractions, and then you change that into improper fraction. All right, that is same as our adding before. You know, adding, of course, you can also just add the whole numbers and then deal with the fractions. But, I mean, here you have to change to mixed fractions. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I guess before I demonstrated some questions before, so let's erase these things first. Okay. All right, now let's see whether or not, oh, what a whole bunch of things I should erase. Sorry, I guess I made either teaching using the PDF version or I did a recording. So let's erase this so I have a clean slate to work on. All right, so now multiply. Now, one thing we do understand when we multiply something, we just first of all wanted to make sure the sign. So this is a negative number multiplied by positive number. So immediately I know this is a negative number. So before I even bother with the multiplication, I'm going to have this sign here. So I don't remember, I don't forget. Okay, very easy to forget the negative sign. Now here, negative number and multiply by negative number, oh, that's going to be giving me a positive number. So that's fine. So either I don't write it or I'm just saying, okay, that's a positive number. Now, negative, negative, and positive, okay, well, then that is still positive. Okay, well, negative, positive, positive, then that is negative. Okay, so before I even bother about this, I'm just going to do all this. Now, this one you can see, there's nothing you can reduce. You see, all these, there's nothing you can reduce. Oh, that's boring. Okay, well, then I just say, we just consider this is just make sure the sign. Now, next one. Is there anything we can reduce here? Well, let's take a look at this. Okay, so here, positive, positive. Okay, I know that's positive. Okay, 2 and 5, there's nothing to be reduced. 3 and 9. Okay, common factor 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 9 divided by 3, 3. Okay, very, very important to cross out these numbers and write the new numbers so you don't get confused. Very important to have this crossing, okay? Now, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Okay, 6 over 5. Next, okay, negative, positive. Well, negative for sure. Okay, well, I'm going to reduce here. Between 3 and 4, nothing to be reduced. 14 and 21. Difficult to see this, but believe me, there's a 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Over 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Wow, done. Okay. Now, more difficult one is these ones. I got 3 numbers here. So, positive, negative, negative. Sign positive. I'm very sure about that. So let's just do that. Okay, so here we go. This is a whole bunch of things I can look at. Well, if you can quickly see this, then you can see 14 and 28. Well, divided by 14. That is 1 because it's a double of the 14. This is why number sense is very important, everyone. Okay, so that is 2. All right, so then if from 9 and 15 is easier, difficult to see, then at least 15 and 3 you should be able to see there is 3 as a common factor. So that divided by 3 is 1. This divided by 3 is 5. Okay. Well, no, I don't think we have anything left. 9 and 5, yeah, no, nothing. 2 and 7, no, nothing. 9 and 7, no, nothing. Okay, well, then it's about time to multiply the top and the bottom. Okay, 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. And multiplied by 1 is same thing. Bottom, 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. You got your answer. You think about if you don't reduce, you're going to multiply 14 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 7. Top, you're going to multiply 9 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 3. Are you kidding me? And then after that, you try to reduce, you will not be able to do it. Well, you said, well, I got a calculator. Well, that's beside the point. Okay. Well, I think that you can just enjoy rest of the exercise set because down here it says flip. Why? Because there's a division now. But after you flip it, everything is the same. Okay, well, thank you for watching.